Good morning to everyone, the students of class 8 Modern International School Hisua. I, Om Prakash, is going to teach all of you the topic of poem geography lesson, whose writer, poet is Zulfikar Ghosh. Dear students, in earlier video I taught about Zulfikar Ghosh and his biography. Today I am going to describe his poem, The Geography Lesson. This poem has been written in 3 stanzas, and according to every stanza I shall try to teach you. Listen carefully. Your first stanza. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had, seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile. There seemed an inevitably about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned and without style, when the jet sprang into the sky. Dear student, this is your first stanza. That means when the jet plane flew into the sky, then it was clear that why the city made developed the way it had, when it raised 6 inches to the mile, then it is compulsory. That means inevitable, not done. It seems that the ground looked haphazard, means without plan, without order, and without style, as it looks on the earth when the jet sprang into the sky. Dear student, just I am going to tell you second stanza. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography that land and water attracted man was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. That means when the jet reached at the height of 10,000 feet, then it was clear that why were such cities in the country where the rivers flow and the valleys were full of people. That means populated. The logic of geography, the statement of geography that land and water are such things on the earth which attracted men. Thus, it was clearly shown that when the jet aeroplane reached at the height of 10,000 feet. And third stanza. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear that the earth was round and it had more sea than land, but it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities and to kill from that height. It was not clear why. That means when the jet plane reached at the height of 6 miles, then the earth was round. That means that time it seemed the earth was round and it had more sea than land, but it was difficult. It was not easy to understand that man on the earth found cause to hate. Often it has been seen that man hate each other. So the poet describes in his last stanza, man on the earth found cause to hate each other, to build walls across cities and to kill. But it was not obvious. That means it was not clear that why did the man do so. Really, such types of virtues, such types of qualities are found in the heart of man. So the poet Zulfikar Ghosh described the virtue qualities of man by his poem, the poem Geography Lesson. Dear students, if you have any problem, you can ask on my phone. Thanks.